morning students, here is your Seema ma'am. Now this video contains the topic that is about the seed. Now generally seed it is known as the final product of sexual reproduction. It is also considered as a fertilized ovule. Basically seed is formed within the fruits. Now what is included in the seed structure? Now there are three main parts of the seed. First one, it is the outermost covering is there, that is known as the seed coat. Second, the cotyledons, and the third part, that is the embryonical axis. Generally the cotyledon of the embryo is occurring as a simple structure, and it seems as a swollen structure because of the reserve food material. So this is all about the structure of the seed. Now basically seed it is divided into two main categories. One is non-albuminous seed and second category is albuminous seed. Non-albuminous seed, they do not have endosperm in the seed structure. Means endosperm has been completely used during the embryo development. So such seeds are regarded as non-albuminous. For example, that is pea and groundnut. These seeds they are included in the non-albuminous. Whereas albuminous seeds they have some amount of endosperm which remain along with the seed and remain persistent along with the seed. So such seeds are considered as a albuminous seeds. Example, wheat, maize, barley, all this they have the albuminous kinds of seed. Now there are few exceptions are there. Seeds like black pepper and the beet, they have some kind of remnants of nucellus, and such type of nucellus become persistent till the seeds remain mature. This persistent nucellus which remain in such type of seed is considered as a perisperm. Now how the seed coat of the seed is formed? Generally integuments of the ovule. Now what is integuments? That is the outer envelope of the ovule, they are considered as a integuments. So this get converted into the seed coat. Now as the particular seed coat it is formed, within the seed coat there is a small opening is there at the micropylar region which facilitates the entry of water and oxygen during the seed germination. Now as the seed gets matured, it completely dries up and the water part loses, and also the metabolic rate generally slows down. So such seeds become inactive or they come into the dormancy period, or when the conditions are provided to them, or you can say whenever the favorable conditions are provided to the seed such as oxygen, moisture, proper temperature is available, so such seeds germinate. Now basically what happened, how the fruits are formed. Generally the ovules get matured and they get converted into seed, and ovary gets matured and it gets converted into the fruit. Ovules maturation and the ovary maturation, it occurs side by side. Now whenever the fruit is formed, the other layers other layers get shrivel off from the flower. Other layers means whatever the other parts of the female parts are there, they get shrivel off from the flower. And the ovary wall becomes the fruit wall now, and it is known as the pericarp. Now generally fruits are fleshy fruits and the dry fruits. Fleshy fruits, for example strawberry, orange, mango, these are considered as a fleshy fruit, and dry fruits such as the cashew nut. Now depending on the type or the origin that from where the fruits are being developed, the fruits are divided into three main categories. Now these main categories are, first one that is the true fruits, second one false fruit, and third is known as the parthenocarpic fruits. Now first one that is known as the true fruits, these fruits are developed from the ovary. Those fruits that are being developed from the ovary, they are considered as a true fruits. For example, mango. The fruits which are developed from the any other parts of the flower and not from the ovary, these are considered as false fruit. For example, apple is considered as a false fruit because it has been developed from the thalamus, and the part which we are eating in the apple, that is the thalamus part. So this it is in the false fruit. And the third category, that is the parthenocarpic fruit, the fruits that are being developed without the process of fertilization, they are considered as parthenocarpic fruits. For example, banana. Now, through the process of parthenocarpy, we can develop the seedless fruits, and this parthenocarpy technique can also be utilized for developing the seedless varieties of the fruits. So, this three category you have to remember. One is true fruit, second is false fruit, and third is parthenocarpy fruit.